Hey, toy timers!
Hey, TommyDog!
Let's go! Let's find My Little Ponies with surprise eggs!
Hey!
Every pony that we find will tick off our check sheet. Who's this? It's Rarity! Supersize her! Again! We found our first pony. It's Fluttershy! Supersize her! Again! Whoa, cool! Fluttershy is my favourite pony. Tell me yours in the comments below. It's Pinkie Pie! Supersize her! Again! It's Princess Cadence! Supersize her! Don't forget, toy timers, make sure you press that subscribe button so you can see our new videos. It's Rainbow Dash! Supersize her! Again! It's Princess Celestia! Supersize her! Again! It's Applejack! Supersize her! Again! It's Twilight Sparkle! Supersize her! Again! You could be a toy timer by subscribing for free. Just click the subscribe button or the big TommyDog face on your screen now. See you in the next video!